Yep, that's me right there. Well, today I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday. Not a party like the normal people, but it's my version of celebrating. Also, I apologize ahead of time. I said the word oopsie oopsie so many times, but I think it's something in my mind right now. Hello gorgeous, how are you guys doing today? So today is going to be my birthday, or tonight it's gonna be my birthday. So me and Colin, we decided to come to a Loft Hotel. I apologize, I wanted to record on my way to this place, but it was so hot outside. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna catch up with these guys when I get in the hotel room. So here I am. Voila! I missed you guys. So I'm just going to be giving you a room tour. Let's say this is a room tour that you guys never asked for, but you need it. See ya! So the first thing is to open the door and walk right in. You see that over there, but we're not going to go there soon. When you walk right in, there is this mirror, as you can see. This is the closet. Oopsie, oopsie. So in the closet, there is nothing much there apart from our bags sitting right there down. We packed them already because we're going to leave. Okay, let's close this real quick and okay. So after the closet, we have this mini kitchen. I made coffee in the morning, by the way. I'm not a coffee drinker, I'm a tea drinker, but I needed coffee to function. So I didn't make coffee in the morning. And then they have this safe over here where you can keep your most important, valuable items. And from there, you come right here. There is this sink where you can go ahead and wash your hands from. And this giant mirror where you can take your selfies. They actually have this cool lamp, but light holder, whatever it is. And then when you walk right there, there is this beautiful, gorgeous mirror where I can show you guys my outfit of the day. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, and then you come and walk right here. Open this door. Oh my god, they need a lot of energy that I don't have. Yeah, you walk right in, and then there is a shower right there. Then there is a place here. Oh my god, we used all those towels yesterday. Then this is where you do your personal business from. You don't need any interruption. And then you come into the shower. Oopsie, oopsie. That's the shower, nothing fancy. So when you walk right into this area, the first thing you will see is this table that has this mini fridge right here. So you have to open and see the fridge. And there is nothing much in the fridge actually apart from our food. Yeah, that is it. And over here there is a table that's Colin's mask. My phone is over here. And the coffee that I made in the morning, the lanes and all that stuff. And you go right over there, there is that bench that no one has sat on since we entered this hotel room. There is a screen over there, and there is Colin seated right next to the huge window. Again, oopsie, oopsie, that closes down. And guess what, guys? It has words on it that says good night, but it happens to have one of my favorite words that I happen to know in Spanish. I don't know if I'm going to say that right, but if you do know Spanish, please don't call me out. I'm just trying my hardest to learn it. It says buenas noches, which means good night. And then we have these two gorgeous beds and this art piece that I love so much. Colin slept right to the other left and I slept to the right. There is also this small section where you can find this JBL speaker and a phone right there. Some other things that you guys genuinely don't care about. I think that's all we have to show you guys. That's it for the room tour. Bye, Colin. So we decided to come up to the swimming pool. We're going to be changing our clothes. Colin is still wearing full outfit. She's looking gorgeous. And I am also wearing my dress, but I'm going to be changing in the swimming costume pretty much soon. See ya! So here I am trying to make a catwalk. I think the inner kid in me is extremely happy because I always wanted to be a model, but I'm on revive. Look at my view! I'm the view! Ah! Sure! Hey, sexy lady! Tenora! Hey, Tenora! No, we didn't only do the dancing, modeling, or doing catwalks in the swimming costume. I had to go swimming, and tell you what guys, this was the most fulfilling moment for me, considering the fact that I hadn't been in a pool for a very long time. Like I had last gone in a swimming pool I think in my vacation last year, so this was very fulfilling to me. I was so refreshed and happy after that. Look at my face right there. Well, hello gorgeous, we're done with swimming. Now we're going to go and change for dinner. Dinner time. See ya. Well, at this point you can tell that we were very excited to go for dinner. So before we went for dinner, I decided to take you guys around to see this beautiful, amazing place. So when you walk right this side, you can see this stadium. I'm trying to get its full view, but I'm not the best at taking like videos. So I hope I did it justice. And if I didn't, I promise I'll do better next time. But yeah, this is how the stadium looks like. And when you look across this side, there is like this beautiful mountain called Gibraltar. Oh my god, the coffee shop looks so good. Now we're waiting for food. Actually, they haven't taken the orders yet, so your girls are going to be here starving. And remember, that is taking the orders. So they have to take the orders and then they have to prepare the food. So we're going to be here starving. There's nothing else that we can do. So as we're waiting for our food, I decided to entertain Colin by dancing. Don't mind about my dancing skills, I don't have any. So our food arrived and I ordered for fries and grilled chicken plus vegetables on the side. Colin ordered for rice. I don't know the specific name of her food, but it was great. It was yummy and delicious. Look at it. Oh my god. It looks so good. Yeah, but Colin couldn't wait to start eating, so she was eating right there. So as you can see, we were already full and we definitely couldn't finish our food. Colin couldn't finish hers, I couldn't finish mine. I ordered for orange juice after that, and Colin ordered for marshmallow passion. Oh my god, I can't remember the right name of her drink, but I know it had marshmallows. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't get back to you when we were up there at the restaurant, but that's because they were playing like a lot of copyrighted music. So I just had to stop recording. But yeah, we are back and yoga is full. Colin has already taken a shower and she's in bed. I'm going to take a shower too and sleep. I'll check on you guys right back tomorrow morning. So for now, buenas noches. Good night. See you tomorrow morning. Mwah. Also, I don't know why the cashier didn't ask for our names, even though we were standing right in front of him. Like, he went ahead and he put black lettuce. It was just weird because I'm aware that you either ask for the customer's name or you don't put a name at all. But anyways, we came down to order for breakfast and Colin is smiling because her breakfast looks so yummy. She ordered for eggs. There is bread and mushrooms in the middle plus tomatoes on the side. Oh my god, look at that. I didn't want food, so I only ordered for carrot juice. As Colin enjoys her food, let's take a look around the place. Still, I can see the stadium from here, and that's what I was pointing at. I was like, oh my god, the stadium! Hi. This tastes like carrots. I don't know what I expected it to taste like, but it is carrot anyway. And here I am. After taking my carrot juice, I was feeling so good. Woohoo, that turnaround girl. Wow. Oopsie, oopsie. Then with breakfast, going upstairs, and Colin is just calling still. I thought you turned into someone else, but you're still calling.
She's still the same. She doesn't care.
Here we go. There she goes. Pretty Colin. So I'm going for swimming, and this is my swimming costume of the day. Oopsie, oopsie. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Like it's a long ass swimming pool. God dang it. And then it comes right here. Yes, what happened, Colin?
Cold.
It's not even cold, it's pretty hot outside. When it's like, it's good. So I have this thing where I do a split every time I get a chance to, and it has turned into a habit. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but hey, here I am doing a split right now. My legs on the ground and my hands up in the air. Well, that's gonna be it for the vlog. Unfortunately, yesterday I wasn't able to have a cake, but yeah, everything else went perfectly great. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what was the best moment of the video, or what did you like most about this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Mwah. Love you. Bye.